Hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. My name is Joseph and today we're going to be fixing this van 98 van error code van 4. So to do this, to fix this, we must go to control panel, open up control panel, then we press network and internet, and after we click that, we go here, you see two options, we click this one, we click network and center, and after that, we're gonna find your internet. If you are using Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable, press that, then you right click, then go to properties. After you press properties, you're gonna find Internet Protocol 4, TCP, then you're gonna click that, then check its properties, then type this code, check this mark here first, then you're gonna type your preferred DNS 1111, then you're gonna type your alternate DNS 1001. Then you press OK. Then you press OK. Then after you did that, you're gonna go to settings. You're gonna press Windows key, power, and then restart. Then your Valorant should be ready to go. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.